Hey, Kez here from Spirit and Bear. So today I'm going to be doing a tool review on the Wolfcraft Dowel Master. Now, for the past few weeks we've been putting this through its paces with various different projects. The first project that it had to do was make its own tool holder for our French cleat wall. So it just slides on and sits on there. It goes from 12mm to 30mm boards. It does the T-joints, it does corner joints, and it does butt joints. So it does the various different joints. So I'll show you how to do this joint now. Now, as you can see, this is made from a high-grade plastic, and it has the metal inserts for the drill pieces on the back of it, 6mm, the 10mm and the 8mm, and inside it shows you when you put your dowel on your piece of wood, you twist it. Now it does actually show you on this bottom pieces here which way to twist your wood. Now if you twist it the opposite way, like I did, you end up with holes that are slightly off center, which isn't a problem for me, but obviously if you want them center, then make sure you look at the picture and read the instructions. Okay, that's a really good tip. Read the instructions. Also, Wolfcraft do a kit. Now we didn't need the collar, the drill bits and the center points, and we didn't need the dowels, so we just had the Dowel Master. But if you need all those pieces because you're just starting, or you don't do a lot of dowel joints, then it's useful to pick up one of those kits. You can pick them up off Amazon, from Wolfcraft's website, and I think Screwfix stock them as well. So Wolfcraft Dowel Master, it's quick and easy to use, and yeah, it's time is money. You know, if it's quick, it's great. It's super light and super robust, so if you drop it on the floor a few times, like I have, then it still works at the end of the day. Okay, so yeah, robust, quick and easy to use. So it's a winner for us. See you soon.